These are the videos I shot today. I want to connect my camera. Look, new firmware. I want to go to live stream, YouTube, start my live stream. I'm connecting to hotspot. I want to put a title to this, 423. I'm going to click done. Start live stream. I'm live streaming. I'm really not live streaming yet. According to DJI, how to create a live stream on mobile. Let me go back and read what the staff is telling me how to live stream. In the background, this is the page that opens up, 423, my live stream. I cannot connect to start that. I cannot connect this to get this going. Do I need to close down my application? Open up YouTube. That opens up to live stream. This is my existing live stream. Do I open up YouTube Studio and try to figure out from there? Hitting the plus gets me to this page only. These are my existing live streams. I'm more or less quite lost in live stream when my device is now disconnected. How live stream is not working for me. And I want to hear what DJI has to say. I hope this video is helpful to them.